Biotechnology isn't just a small niche sector. It's an intersection of urgent societal need, groundbreaking science, and significant investment potential. And yet, despite its importance, most portfolios allocate just 2% to this space. In this video, 𝗦𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗍 examine why biotech deserves a larger share of investors' attention and why we believe it as a structural tailwind that can benefit all diversified investors. 1. Responding to urgent global needs. As we look to the next decade and beyond, 3 demographic and healthcare trends stand out as key drivers for biotech: an aging population, the rise of chronic conditions, and expanding access in emerging markets. Aging populations. By 2030, 1 in 5 individuals in the US and Europe will be over 65, creating consistent demand for treatments for cancer, neurodegenerative diseases, and other illnesses that affect the elderly. Chronic conditions on the rise. Health challenges like obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease are projected to cost the global economy over $47 trillion. Biotech offers transformative solutions like new weight management drugs called 𝗕𝗜𝗢𝗢𝗧 agonists, which have shown not just efficacy in managing weight, but also in lowering cardiovascular risk. Expanding access in emerging markets. As developing nations scale their healthcare systems, the demand for advanced medicines will grow. We believe this dynamic will drive the pharmaceutical market to $1.6 trillion by 2028. This isn't about luxury expenditures. It's about making essential services accessible to more people. 2. Responding to breakthrough technologies. Biotech innovation is advancing at a rapid pace, reshaping what's possible in medicine. Gene editing, once a theoretical possibility, is now being applied to treat conditions like sickle cell disease in real-world settings. AI-powered drug discovery is transforming research and development by reducing drug discovery timelines from several years to under 12 months. That not only saves billions of dollars in R&D costs, but also accelerates time to market. Personalized therapies like CAR-T and mRNA platforms are also advancing. These innovations are key to precision medicine, moving away from the one-size-fits-all approach to treatments and replacing them with individualized, targeted care. 3. Portfolio diversification and risk management. In addition to its growth potential, biotech offers investors diversification benefits that can help manage risk within a portfolio. Low correlation to traditional market cycles. Drug development operates on multi-year timelines, making it relatively insulated from short-term interest rate changes and shifts in consumer behavior, geopolitical, and policy support. Biotech enjoys structural backing from public health priorities and supportive legislation. For example, the US Inflation Reduction Act and the EU Pharma Strategy highlight the sector's importance, reducing exposure to geopolitical risk. Balanced investment mix. Investors can blend high-reward therapeutic plays with more stable infrastructure and diagnostics companies that offer recurring revenue streams. This balance can lead to a more stable return profile for biotech holdings. 4. Strategic impact and long-term relevance. Finally, the impact of biotech extends to broader societal benefits, making it a strategically important sector for investors to consider. Public health preparedness technologies like mRNA vaccines and monoclonal antibodies have moved from the realm of research to becoming core components of national biosecurity strategies, solutions for rare diseases. With 95% of rare conditions lacking effective treatments, biotech firms are stepping in to develop life-changing therapies. For these ultra-rare diseases, treatments sometimes command prices of $2 to $3 million per dose, reflecting both the high impact and profitability of such therapies. Biotechnology is not a passing fad or a speculative investment. It's a sector driven by enduring demand, revolutionary science, and strategic global importance. For investors seeking durable growth, diversification, and exposure to innovation, biotech offers a compelling case for deliberate portfolio inclusion. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is clear: the future of healthcare is in the hands of those who are bold enough to invest in it.